This is the second video. Once again, Wednesday, January the 18th, 2023. We have a connection diagram provided by John, and now what I want to show is exactly the same setup. And again, we haven't used the CTRCT-1 board yet. This is the board that was tested, a standard 2100 board on the first part of the video. And here is that board that it's been always referenced as the zero cross. You can see here FCZC2100. Okay, and it's a little different because it doesn't have the potentiometers. It got the enable, so somewhat quite different than this. Right? It even has an optocoupler to enable. So that same setup. The board now it's enabled. We're just waiting for Sakai to go over a threshold before we fire, and we have the same signals here for zero cross reference, which in this particular case it's TP5. It was TP7 for the previous board, but we notice here that the board it's actually behaving more like a phase angle control. We'll go ahead and bring it back, Tony. We don't see a specific number of pulses and zero ports, so what I have to do before I bring in the CTRCT-1 it's determine why is this board it's behaving the way it is, and I'm going to go through the binder, verify that it's properly configured, and then we'll eventually tell you he will be able to give you this with a zero cross board and a CTRCT. By the way, we're using a 0 to 5. We know that whether you can, if you're going to use a 4020 milliamp signal for Sakai, we can leave this 0 to 5. The output of the CTRCT will be 0 to 5. We will just have to configure the current command on the CTRCT for 420 milliamp, but that's not a problem. It's just a configuration issue. The problem that we're having here is that we're not getting the control that we expect. This is the end of this video.